We all know the pain of taking notes manually and having to sift through and make sense of them after the meeting. And it's even harder on days where you have back-to-back meetings and barely any time to come up with actionable insights from all those notes you took. As a designer, I have plenty of days like that where I'm in meetings all day getting feedback on my designs, discussing new projects with my team, and conducting user interviews. But I've been testing out a new tool called Granola that's been changing how I handle all of that. It's an AI notepad, and I want to walk you through how I've been using it in my actual workflow as a UX designer. Here's how it actually works. At its core, it's an AI-powered notepad that sits in the background while you're in meetings. It transcribes your conversations across whatever platform you're on, Zoom, Google Meet, Slack huddles, and more, and then takes the notes you jot down during the call and enhances them with the full context of what was actually said. And the key difference here versus a lot of other tools in this space, there's no awkward note-taker bot has joined the meeting. Granola just transcribes your device's audio directly, so the experience for everyone on the call stays completely normal. Although you should still let the other people on your call know you're transcribing, the experience itself is way less intrusive. Right now, Granola works on macOS, Windows, and iOS. So whether you're in a remote or in-person meeting, you can always capture those important conversations and store them all in one place. So here's what my process with Granola looks like. Whenever I join a meeting, Granola will automatically detect it and I can start transcribing it in the background. It's super discreet and doesn't give any distracting notifications while I'm taking notes, which lets me stay focused on what's happening in my meeting. Now remember, Granola is an AI-powered notepad, meaning I can jot down whatever I want just like I would on any notepad. The difference is, once the meeting wraps, Granola takes my rough notes and the full transcript and generates this beautifully structured summary organized around the things that I wrote. So it's not just spitting out a generic summary of the whole meeting, it's building the whole summary around what I cared enough about to write down. That distinction matters a lot, and it means the output actually reflects my priorities. The notes come out in this really clean Notion style format, broken into sections, easy to scan, and totally editable. If I want to restructure something or add context after the fact, I just click in and type. You also get a bunch of templates you can apply depending on the type of meeting you're in. There are options for stand-ups, one-on-ones, client calls, or you can just leave it on auto and let Granola figure it out. You can even build your own custom template if you have a specific format you like. For me as a designer, I set up a template for design reviews that pulls out feedback items, decisions made, and next steps. That alone has saved me a ton of time. Now here's where Granola really sets itself apart from other AI note software. It has a feature called recipes, and if you've used slash commands in tools like Notion or Linear, this is going to feel really familiar and just as useful. Recipes are basically pre-built prompts or workflows that you can run before, during, or after a meeting. One recipe that I've been using is write TLDR. Let's say my enhanced meeting notes come out a bit long and I don't have time to read through them all. I can take the notes from the meeting I just had, run this recipe, and just like that, I have the most important takeaways from this meeting summarized as a couple bullet points. I've also been using a recipe that generates perfectly formatted design tickets on the fly. So if a customer or colleague flags a design issue, I can immediately generate a ticket description that I can drop straight into Linear or Jira before the call is even over. No more, I'll write that up after and then forgetting about it. This has been my go-to use case as a designer, but there are so many other powerful recipes that I encourage you to explore yourself. You can also create your own recipes for whatever repetitive tasks you run into. If there's something you find yourself doing after every meeting, there's a good chance you can automate it with Granola. The other Granola feature I want to highlight is chat. At any point during or after a meeting, you can chat directly with your notes and ask questions about what was discussed. And the conversational aspect of this feature is going to feel really familiar and natural, especially if you already use other AI tools to get work done. So say I'm 30 minutes into a long call and someone references something from earlier that I didn't fully catch. I can just ask Granola in the chat, for example, what did they say about the scope of this project earlier? And it pulls the answer directly from the transcript. No scrubbing through anything, no guessing. And since Granola keeps the full transcript of all your meetings, you can ask about things across multiple conversations. So if I need to remember what a client said about their brand direction 3 meetings ago, I can pull that up through the chat. It truly starts to feel like this searchable second brain for all of your conversations. For me, as someone who's often in design reviews and stakeholder meetings back to back, being able to search across all those conversations and pull out specific details has been a game changer for me. To all my designers out there, you're going to be super excited to hear this. Granola integrates with V0, Lovable, Magic Patterns, and more. So now you can take your Granola notes as context and immediately start designing and building. This is what takes it from just being a nice notepad to being an actual workflow tool. Your meeting notes stop being these static documents that sit in an old folder somewhere and start actively driving the work that comes after the call. So who is this software actually for? Honestly, regardless of what kind of work you do, if you have meetings and you need to turn those conversations into action so you can work more efficiently, Granola is definitely worth trying. With all the other note-taking tools out there, I was skeptical about how this AI notepad would benefit me, but after experiencing all of the thoughtful and intuitive capabilities built into Granola, it's definitely something I wish I had downloaded sooner. The notepad first approach means you stay engaged in the conversation instead of frantically trying to capture everything. And the AI just works in the background to fill in the gaps. The recipe system is genuinely powerful once you start customizing it for your specific workflows. And the chat feature makes it so you never have to worry about missing something because you can always go back and ask. So to recap what makes Granola so helpful, the three things that have stood out to me have been the notepad first approach, recipes, and chat. The notepad keeps me actually present in conversations rather than scrambling to write everything down. The recipes let me automate all the stuff that used to eat up time between calls, like follow-ups and tickets. And the chat basically means I never lose anything from a conversation and I can always ask questions about it in the future. As a designer, a lot of my work happens in meetings, so having a tool that handles everything around those conversations and lets me just focus on the conversation itself has been a really nice shift in how much more productive and stress-free my workdays are. To get started with Granola, click the first link below to get an upgraded subscription completely free for your first month. And if you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.